that we would be studying is sewerage, right? So Priscilla, this is what I was saying, different a network of small and big pipes which carry wastewater are called sewers, right? For example, this is called a sewer, one pipe.
Ma'am, I
And
have a
then,
doubt.
yes, please ask.
Ma'am, why are the sewers always placed under the surface of the land?
So would you like to see pipes over the ground, all over the place? You have no idea. There is a huge network of sewage, underground. If we
Okay,
had it
ma'am.
above the
Ma'am,
ground, we couldn't have had roads and houses. It would have been just pipes and pipes and sewers and sewers.
Ma'am, then
ma'am,
why does the drainage water always or mostly overflow? Like if there are the sewers, if there's a
Because
sewage system,
they are not maintained well. If first and foremost, we have to one has to identify, where there has been a leakage or a breakage. For that, they have to dig up the road, they have to dig up the soil and find out, right? After finding it out, then they will have to repair it, and it's not an easy task. They have to block the sewer. If they have to block a sewer, just imagine if there was a high rise where almost 500 families lived. 500 families lived, and here there is a leakage. So for repairing it, for one day they have to block this so that they can replace this pipe. So just imagine 500 families on a daily basis, how much of sewage comes out. And they are saying that they have to block it for one day and then repair it. It would be so difficult, isn't it? So it's not an easy task.
yes, ma'am.
They have to find out, a bypass. For example, to repair this portion, they have to bypass this portion with another, sewer and then lead it this way. And then they replace this portion. Till that,
Okay, ma'am.
this will bypass like this. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Priscilla, you had a question?
ma'am, I don't know which country, ma'am, but there they like make like it's like an underground city of sewers.
Underground city of sewers. Just imagine. Could be some European country because they're so extremely planned and organized, right? Even,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, could be. So,
Ma'am, like I think my dad forwarded my mom that video long ago. So they
mhm.
showed how they like clean the pipes and all. It's not a very nice job.
It is not a very nice job. That's the reason why there are very
Ma'am,
few
and
people.
nowadays most people will not agree to do that job.
Exactly. That's the reason why, not many people are ready to take it up as a profession. So
Ma'am,
unless and until you have learned and qualified people going to this profession, how will they develop newer and newer things? It's the same traditional sewerage that we are using. I would request all of you to go through the video of, Bill Gates and Melinda Gates Foundation, right? He is the owner of Microsoft, right? The software, Microsoft. So he and his wife have taken up a huge project worldwide of uh, sanitization, right? Whereby that also includes filtering sewer water, yeah. So basically, a lot needs to be done in this area, a lot, and that too worldwide. And especially, when you said, Priscilla, China, why China is also facing this problem? Because the population is very high. So is India. Why India? Because population of India is also very high. Countries which have a high population will have major problem. Resources are limited, like clean water, clean air, houses. Resources are limited, but the people using the resources are very high. So there has to be a check either in the population or increasing the number of resources. And to increase the number of resources, we need intelligent, capable people. Isn't it? Okay. So we have studied about sewerage. We know it is basically small and big pipes which carry wastewater, right? These individual pipes are known as sewers, right? For example, you know, the drain that comes out from your kitchen, or from, for example, this is a house. This is your house, correct? The drain which comes from your kitchen and the drain that comes from your bathroom, you know, your house will have one main septic tank or something, right? It will join to that, right? Now there would be many more houses like this in your locality, right? All of them will have septic tanks, individual houses, and then they will connect to something called the sewers, right? Small pipes. Then they will lead into medium-sized pipes. And then, for example, there's a high rise here, you know, again with that 500 family living here. They will have a thicker sewer because the outlet is too much. So, you know, these again would join, right? Now this has to be thickened because the flow has become bigger, right? So it's a network of small pipes and big pipes. And all of them lead to a central point called the manhole. It is a junction, you know. You must be seeing, you know, in the roads in India, there are certain round or maybe rectangular shaped junctions.
Yes, ma'am, which are always open.
Many a times it's open, but it should be closed. Now what
Yes,
happens?
ma'am, it's dangerous when it rains and the
Correct.
roads are filled.
Correct. So why are there junctions in between? So that, you know, it can be opened and a person can go inside and check for any leakage or blockage. Because
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
yeah, please ask.
Ma'am, what's the difference between sewerage and sewage?
Sewage, sewer is what I was saying. Sewer is this one pipe which is coming out from your house.
No,
Right?
ma'am, on the top of the screen it's written sewerage, so I asked.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. So this is sewer, which is the pipe that's coming out from your house. But this network of pipes, the small pipes, big pipes, medium pipes, this network of pipes is known as sewerage. This is basically a drainage system that is known as sewerage. Let me just ask the questions verbally, right? I guess I'm sure all of you will be able to answer. Okay, liquid wastes from houses is called, Arna, you have to answer. Liquid waste from the houses are called? Yes, Arna? What is liquid waste from house called?
Sewage waste.
Sorry?
Sewage waste.
No, sewage waste, generally it is called as sewage. Right? Liquid wastes which are
Mama,
coming.
sewage also comes from the industries and all, right?
Yes, it does. It does.
So
So-
then, ma'am, how does it really come from the houses?
No, it also comes from the sewage comes from various sources as we discussed, no? It comes from houses.
Ma'am,
It
that's
comes
why I
from-
got confused because you asked the waste that comes from the houses.
Yeah, liquid waste. That's the reason why they have mentioned what is the liquid waste that comes from houses. It's sewage. And the solid waste that comes from, you know, the house could be a garbage. There are another waste which comes from the house is e-waste, which is not a liquid waste. But specifically sewage is the liquid waste coming from houses, factories, agricultural land, from many places. Okay. Now, Bhavya, the next question is to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Sewage is mainly solid, liquid, or gas, or a mixture of liquid and gas.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Can you repeat the question?
Sewage is mainly liquid. I'm giving you the options.
Yes, ma'am.
Sewage is mainly solid. Sewage is mainly gas. Or sewage is a combination of all.
Ma'am, sewage is a combination of all.
Sewage is mainly liquid. I use the word mainly.
Oh yeah, I didn't hear
Mainly,
that.
right? If it was gas, then I would have, you know, given importance to air pollution. Isn't it? Mainly, this is air pollution is mainly gas.
Ma'am, but different gases, you know, they are solids, liquids and gases, like the waste ones, they form to, they combine to form the sewage, right?
Yes, but I'm saying mainly. I'm using the word mainly. A sewage will have a little bit of solid, gas, liquid and everything. Because, from a dirty sewage water, if there is a foul odor, if there is a bad smell, that means there is methane gas. That's why there is a foul smell from the sewage. It has gases. But my question is, what is sewage mainly? Mainly. It is liquid.
Okay, ma'am. I didn't hear that word. I mean, like your voice was breaking a little bit, so
No
yeah.
problem. Sewage water is slightly acidic. Why is sewage water slightly acidic in it?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Priscilla,
Okay.
all of you will go get one by one. Why is sewage water slightly acidic, Priscilla?
Ma'am, the pesticides and
Correct.
insecticides.
Correct. Because of all the chemical waste that comes from the industries and the trades and the farms and the agricultural land, they are normally acidic. Acids are always harmful for us. Acids are always harmful for us, whereas alkalis or bases are not, they are also harmful, but they are not that harmful. But acids are more harmful. Which of the following is an example, which is the following where the garbage is collected and decomposed? Unmana.
Ma'am, dustbin.
No, dustbin is at our home. We collect it, but do we allow it to decompose there?
Ma'am, landfills.
Landfills, yes, landfills. Remember I told you in the beginning only about the Scotch-Brite example? The waste yard or the dump yard, right? So those are all landfills where everything, the municipal corporation people, they pick up, garbage from all our houses and they throw it in the landfills, and you will find mountains of those garbage there. It is normally out of every city. For example, if it is Bangalore, so you normally will find in the outskirts of Bangalore, there are landfills, which are mounds and piles of garbage. Right? Next question to Vatsala. You may type your answer, Vatsala. Which of the following is a part of inorganic impurities in the sewage? Is it urea? Is it phosphates? Is it nitrates? Or is it pesticides? Which of the ones are inorganic wastes in a sewage? Vatsala, the answer is all of them. All of them are inorganic wastes which are found in the sewage. Correct? Okay. Now, back to Arna again. Arna, tell me, a sewer system, right? A sewer system is useful to us during the summers, during the winters, during the rainy season, or during all seasons. Arna, what is the answer?
During rainy season.
Okay, so basically you're saying that, the sewage water or the total sewerage is utilized only during the rainy season.
No,
Then what is the answer?
all seasons.
All seasons, correct. Because we have liquid waste from our washrooms and kitchen every day. Right? So we need it actually 24/7. 365 days a year, every second, every minute we would require it. Correct. Okay. Who is going to give me the definition of sewerage? Don't have to go into so much of detailing, just a simple thing, not network of
sewers.
Network of small and big pipes
Okay, ma'am.
carrying wastewater.
Ma'am, that's what I that was
That's
what
it.
I was taught, ma'am, in school.
That network of small and big pipes carrying wastewater from houses, factories, right, agricultural land, etc., and leading to the wastewater plant, treatment plant, is known as a sewerage.